Hello guys, how are you? I hope that we will be all fine. So guys, today we will discuss about health insurance. So what is health insurance? So let's start. Health insurance is a way of paying for some or all of the cost of healthcare. It protects insured persons from paying high treatment costs in the events of sickness. Number 2. The basic health insurance process is as follows. A consumer makes a regular payments to a managing institution. This institution is responsible for holding the payments in a fund and paying a healthcare provider for the cost of consumer care. Number 3. This process seems straightforward. There are three main groups involved: consumers, managing institutions, usually described as third party institutions, see figure number 2, and healthcare provider. The outcome of the process is that the cost of an individual consumer's healthcare needs are met. To notify the health insurance process, see figure number 1. Third party institution, government and private. So, yet when looking at actual country example of health insurance funds or more complex picture emerges. There are various players at each stage of the process: individuals and institutions, governmental and private. Insurance funds are managed by different types of third party institutions. In some systems, the managing organizations may also own or manage the service provider. There are variations in the range of care provided under insurance. It may be limited to treatment for serious illness only or include routine treatments and preventive care leading to different outcomes. So, number 5. Before discussing health insurance for low income countries, it helps to define some basic principles and terms. Figure 2 doesn't this using car insurance as an example. To summarize figure 2, the main principle of insurance is sharing risk as an advantageous way of meeting high and unpredictable cost. However, this principle may be undermined by the way consumers and providers behave in response to shared risk. The same principle and concepts apply to health insurance as to car insurance, but the case of health insurance is more likely to experience problems because moral hazard and cost escalation are particular problem as patients are not able to identify what treatment that really need. The risk of adverse selection means that insurance wants to insure high risk case or charge them higher premium, yet for social policy reasons governments want all their population to have access to health care. These factors have led to government taking an active role in the health insurance sectors through regulating and the private sector and are developing social insurance schemes. So